look cute, don't I? Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today's inspiration was purple. Lavender to be exact. Hi. Had to. Alright. Today I am bringing you a brand new hairstyling videos. 3 different hairstyles. And it's all on this beautiful periwinkle, darker than periwinkle actually, like lavender, slightly on the blue side wig. Once again, this beautiful wig is by Perfect Lace Wigs. This is exactly how it came in the box. Color wise, I did give it some loose, gorgeous wavies with my Bombay hair curling iron. I'm going to link this down in the description box below if you're interested. Glued it on and this is how it looks and I'm in love. I'm literally in love. Oh, I love Perfect Lace Wigs. However, recently, alright, Instagram has been absolutely flooded with braids. I am a braid obsessed woman. I got my first pure love of hair because I started braiding my hair and I realized that I was kind of good at it, so I love braids. So today I'm going to be showing you 3 different epic braids that you can do on yourself because I'm doing these on myself. The reason that I decided on this wig is because 1, braids look best on light hair. Doesn't mean you cannot do it on your dark hair, it's just going to show up more if it were lighter. Secondly, this wig is really super long. My own hair is unfortunately not. So last but not least, it's just an epic wig. But as always, the link is going to be linked down in the description box below. Let's go! are aching so much. I redid this last hairstyle twice. It hurts so much. These are all of the hairstyles that I decided to show for you guys today. This last one is actually one that I saw most recently on Instagram. I'm not sure what it's called, but it's really fun, a bit tiring on the arms, but the result is so unique. It's unlike any other type of braid, so I'm really like obsessed with it. Woo! This wig was such a dream to work with. Honestly, it's really human hair, but it's long, it's soft, there's so much hair. I'm going to link it down in the description box below. As I said, they're perfect lace wigs. You guys know that I've tried out perfect lace wigs 1,010,000 times, so it's a good brand. I'm going to link this wonderful curling guy in the description box below. It's by Bombay hair. It's the first time that I'm using it, in fact, and so far I love it, partially because it's gold and it makes me feel super bougie and rich. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you give it a go, and I will see you in my next video.